Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. For this video, we're going to talk about how to use COUNTBLANK function in Excel, step-by-step tutorial. Right here, I have some sample dataset, and with this one, you're going to see that I have a number for total albums, and then a number for albums missing a rating is actually not yet filled up. I have I think 5 columns here to work with. I have band, title, label, release, and rating out of 5. A total of albums of 1087, and I want to know how many of the albums are missing a rating. So I can just simply use the COUNTBLANK function. By the name itself means count the blank missing. You'll notice I only added one range. So I'm going to look for range E here. So I'm going to click this one right here because it will count so much. That is not the one I'm looking for. Rather, if I edit my formula here, since I know where to start, I'm going to start on E2. So that will be E2 colon up to E 10,000 or 1,000 of 87. Because I know I have a total of 1,087 albums. Click on enter. So I have 597, almost 600 missing album rating. Now for example, I have one missing here. I rate it to 2. You'll notice right there, real time, it's going to be adjusted. So that is the function of COUNTBLANK. Same vice versa option, if I delete one here, it will react. As you can see right there, right now, I'm up to 600. If I delete 3 at the same time, give me a second here, perfect. As you can see right there, it's going to turn up to 603. Fill 3 up, it will go back and balance out at 600. That's the main idea, the main gist of COUNTBLANK function. Now let's try this next example. Let me just zoom it in just a little bit so you guys can see it properly. So I have a name of fictional teachers with so much certification. So some of them are missing some certification, and imagine if these are hundreds or thousands of names. You have to comb through each one of them, but I'm going to teach you how to do it easily. So we're going to utilize COUNTBLANK function here. And I'm just going to highlight the first column there. Click on enter. So I have one here. Now I can just highlight this one, drag and drop, and basically that's it. This also reacts real time. For example, if I click on yes here, there is the one right there. If I remove some of them, it's gonna be really reacting real time. So we have more questions here. Total we need to earn. I can just simply type in here COUNTBLANK like so, but for now I'm gonna type in the whole ranges. Click enter. So I have 20. This is also reacting real time. If I type yes here, I only need 19. If I remove some of them, it's increasing by the minute. This is also an average of this one right there. Now for this next topic, I want to show you why turning a dataset or a sample data collection here into a table. So I'm just going to select everything here or just one inside a table. Click Ctrl T. Now I can convert this into a table. Click OK and choose the colors here. Now, why is this important? Now, for example, I'm going to copy or enable one more formula here. So I'm just going to type in COUNTBLANK as I taught you earlier. And for this one, I'm just going to select the letter E or just this one right here. Like so. Give me a second here. I'm just going to select every dataset right there manually so I can show you properly. Click on enter and I have it right here. I'm missing 477, right? Now imagine I can just click here, click on insert, and with this one I can just type in here ACDC. You'll notice that it has been reacting. This one right here has been reacting real time. Every now and then if I enable or add some data in my table, that is going to be reacting. Easy as that. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.